can't wait so we can break apart the
Just been to my favourite store, Trade Tools, and we picked up the compressor for my mum's trailer, and we're just building a rack for it now. What's up guys, we're going to do the first step of building the bracket for the 500 litre Renegade air compressor. So first we've got to sand it off and then we've got to start welding. So let's get to it. Okay guys, we have done the cleaning up and the sanding. Now all we need to do next is the welding process. So let's get started. Once I welded it all up, Mum and Dad helped me mount it to the trailer. I used the Unimig 185 Viper 3-in-1 welder. This welder is an awesome DIY welder for any family to use, so hurry into your local trade tool store for more information on it. P.S. This would make an awesome Christmas present.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.